Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a day full of happiness. Wishing you a year full of joy. Wishing you a day full of cheerfulness. Wishing you a full year to enjoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Wishing you a day full of happiness. Wishing you a year full of joy. Wishing you a day full of cheerfulness. Wishing you a full year to enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kasabwat! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Papa!
We love you pa. God bless
Birthday
you.
mo!
Happy birthday from the Mid Sisters and more alak to life. Happy birthday, Uncle Reggie. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday.
O, G, happy birthday. At pilaan ang banwa kanyan. Ang handa mo. Happy birthday, ha. Yan. Okay na. Happy birthday. Reggie as in Reggie Lagman B as in beautiful. Happy birthday, happy. Pila na kasing banwa? Awa, balong mo na yung edad mo. Iya ako 53, ika kanyan 555. Sardines, iya ka magandang sardines na. Kailangan long table. May you have more birthdays to come. And here is Madam Osang.
Happy birthday, Uncle Reggie. Balo mo naman, kaluburanda ka, agyang eta mo lagi ni Yabe. Yako pa rin yung one and only pops mo, yako yung original na anak mo, di ba? Seseyo ko nga dungan ti Lenny. Kaya sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon ng Aldo ngayon dahil special ya. At sana, wish ko kaya ka na umaba pa ingbe mo, maging healthy ka, at bawas-bawas ni taking alak para naman maging healthy ya ing kaya kang pamumuhay. Happy birthday! Ala na ang para sabihan, kaya ita mo. I love you. Bye-bye. Masiglala rin kapatid mo yung makapag-concentrate. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Sana maging masayang birthday mo kapatid kasi ikakabod. Ay, ngini ka mo maghanda yata. Pero anyways, mahal na mahal da ka alak nga sa kaya kami. Sana naman magbanding tamo. Tuki ka kaya kami kaya pamagluwal tamo. Pamagluwal mi, bakit ta maging masaya kayo doon, Lenny. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi, Burog! Happy birthday! Happy 56th birthday. 4 years na mo, mag-senior citizen na ka. Wish ko kaya ka sana magkaroon ka pang mas makabang more birthdays to come at saka sana maging healthier na ka. So, sana lagi tayong pamuring niyayakit. Patse ating okasyon, sana akakit na ka mo rin. Balo ko, busy ka eh. Mas busy ka pa kang Bongbong Marcos. Pero sana magka-time ka. Kasi kami paminsan-minsan luluwal kami. Pero pwede na kamang tuki, gyang lalaki ka. Kasi minsan tsokoya ka kaya bemi yan. So, ngayon yung 56 na ka, wish ko pa din kaya ka na mas maging mabait ka at saka mo kami kakalingwan lagi. At syo kami mo Kenny and patya kailangan mong kausap o ating kang buring akasabi, pag-text ka mo, tsyo kami mo Kenny. Patya lilibot kami, kutangan may Lenny, baka Bisaya rin tuki, tapos ika, patya daratang larang kaluguran tamo kasi ti katang common friends, di ba, rin goods. So sana mituki ka kasi kukutang dakakako. Ayan, so mag-enjoy ka, lalo kang magpapogi, balo ko, medyo po forma-forma ka ngayon. Sana rin hikaw mo, dakal la, hanggang kini. Balo ko, kaya ka eh, punks not dead ka eh. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi G! Happy birthday! Sana masaya kang ngining birthday mo. Happy 56th birthday to you, brother. 56 ba? Sana bawas-bawasan mong bagyang inom, bang kumaba ka biye, bang makabata biye, bang magbanding-banding tapa. Happy birthday! I love you!
Hello, Reggie. Kumusta na ka tong? Makakera ka keso pa? Kikyak ka pa? Alina ka na. Kasi kanita kikyak ka nung makataspili na yung brief mo. Happy birthday, G! Makipangang kami na. Kaluguran da ka tong, maski maragol na kaarong. Amoy ko, kuya Rene, Romy Bang naman. Happy birthday, G. O, yan rin. Hello, G. Happy birthday, ah. Pila na kang banwa? Bye-bye. 96 na yan. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Love you.
Koyang, happy birthday po. Wish ko sana takal pang birthday na datang kaluguran da ko ang pong kapatid ko. Good health yan po kaya katam. Happy birthday po kaya.